Hello, tech lovers! Today, I have got some electrifying updates about the highly anticipated iPad Pro M3 models, complete with OLED displays and revolutionary M3 chipsets. Get ready to embark on a journey into the future of Apple's cutting-edge technology. Before we embark on this thrilling exploration, let's rewind and recap where we stand in the realm of Apple's innovation. Throughout 2022 and into early 2023, Apple astounded the world with its groundbreaking M1 and M2 chipsets, transforming the landscape of computing with unparalleled speed and efficiency. The rollout of the M2 chip across various devices, including the Mac Mini and larger MacBook Air, set the stage for a new era of performance and capability. However, one notable absence from the M2 lineup was the iPad Air, which is slated for an eagerly awaited upgrade in 2024. Now, let's fast forward to the present, where the spotlight shines on the illustrious M3 chipsets. With their debut in the new 14-inch MacBook Pro and revamped iMac, the M3 chips have garnered widespread acclaim for their remarkable power and energy efficiency. The integration of the M2 chipset into the iPad Pro cements its status as the pinnacle of tablet performance, offering users unparalleled speed and versatility. Looking ahead, let's delve into the tantalizing details of the forthcoming iPad Pro M3 models. Rumors swirl of a long-awaited redesign, featuring sleek contours and possibly even a glass back, reminiscent of the iconic iPhone design. Additionally, whispers suggest incremental increases in screen size, subtly enhancing the immersive viewing experience without compromising portability. The pièce de résistance lies in the adoption of OLED displays, a quantum leap forward in visual technology. The transition from LED and mini LED to OLED promises deeper blacks, vibrant colors, and enhanced contrast ratios, elevating the iPad Pro's display to unprecedented levels of brilliance and clarity. Despite initial concerns about cost, indications suggest that the premium for OLED technology may be more palatable than initially feared, offering users a taste of luxury without breaking the bank. The introduction of the M3 chipsets heralds a new era of performance and efficiency. With a fanless design, Apple aims to redefine the iPad Pro's form factor, prioritizing sleekness and silence without compromising on raw power. The absence of a cooling fan opens up exciting possibilities for innovative design elements, hinting at a future where technology seamlessly integrates with aesthetics. Now let's turn our attention to the eagerly awaited release date. While specifics remain shrouded in mystery, industry insiders speculate a launch window in 2024, tentatively scheduled for March or April. Following the recent unveiling of the M3 chip in Macs, anticipation runs high for the iPad Pro's triumphant debut, promising a cornucopia of features and enhancements to captivate the imagination of Apple aficionados worldwide. But wait, there's more. In celebration of the impending arrival of the iPad Pro M3 models, we're thrilled to announce an exclusive giveaway. One lucky winner will walk away with a fully loaded MacBook Air M2, boasting expanded storage and memory capacity to fuel your creative endeavors. To enter, simply share your aspirations for acquiring Apple gear in 2024 in the comments below. Remember, vigilance is key. Be wary of scammers and report any suspicious activity. 5G connectivity might be included. New camera system possibilities. Up to 24 GB of RAM for demanding tasks. Prices start around $799 for the 11-inch model and $1,999 for the 13-inch model. The iPad Pro M3 models represent a quantum leap forward in technology, marrying groundbreaking innovations with timeless design aesthetics. As we eagerly await their arrival, stay tuned for the latest updates and insights into Apple's ever-evolving product lineup. If you're as excited as I am about the future of Apple's technology, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exclusive content and updates. Until next time, happy exploring!